Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Guardian mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your preferred web browser of your choice. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in guardianmortgageonline.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, you will find yourself in the official website for Guardian Mortgage. From the main homepage, click on My Account at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will find yourself in the login area where you will need to type in your username and password. Simply go to the right hand side and enter your username associated with your Guardian Mortgage account and then type in your correct password for the account as well. Now, agree to the user term and privacy policy by checking on this I agree box and click on Login, which will then help you log you in to Guardian Mortgage account online. Once you're signed in, you can now access your account details such as loan status, payment history, and documents. That is how you can easily access your Guardian Mortgage account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.